this is Dr. Gayatri. Hope you all are fit and fine. In the previous video, we have discussed about C4 cycle. Today, I will explain you CAM pathway. So guys, please watch the video till the end to get a clear concept about CAM pathway. If you are new to my channel and have not subscribed to my channel yet, then please do subscribe and press the bell icon so that you will get notified when I will upload any videos. Thank you. So let's know about CAM pathway. Why it is known as the crassulacean acid metabolism? Because this pathway first observed in the plant that belongs to the family Crassulaceae. Acid metabolism is that the malate is stored in this plant at the night time, which is break down during the daytime. That's why it is named as crassulacean acid metabolism. And it is also called the CAM photosynthesis. It is a carbon fixation pathway evolved in the some plant as an adaptation to arid condition. Okay, and this pathway it was discovered in the late 1940 by the botanists Ranson and Thomas in the Crassulaceae family, and its name refers to the acid metabolism in Crassulaceae. Some of the example of this family of plants are cactus and the pineapple. In this plant, the stomata is closed during the daytime in order to prevent the loss of water and produce the sugar molecule. But the stomata, it is open at night to collect the carbon dioxide. And the carbon dioxide, it is stored in the form of a 4-carbon compound that is known as the malate. And this malate, which is break down during the daytime into carbon dioxide, and that carbon dioxide it reacts with the rubisco to produce the sugar molecule through photosynthesis. The CAM plant can also be recognized as a plant whose leaves have an increasing sour taste during the night time. Why these leaves of the CAM plants are sour taste at the night time? That's because of the malic acid that is stored in the vacuole of the plant cell. But the leaves of the plant, they become the sweeter during the daytime as the malic acid it break down during the daytime. So now we'll see the overview of the CAM pathway. The CAM pathway, it is quite similar to the C4 pathway, but difference is that in the C4 plants they have the Cranch anatomy which is absent in the CAM pathway. And in the C4 pathway, because of the Cranch anatomy, they have the mesophyll cells and bundle cell where the C4 pathway takes place. But the CAM pathway, it takes place in the mesophyll cells of the plant. In the CAM pathway, it is operated in different times, like in the night time and the daytime, to reduce the photorespiration. So how it is the CAM pathway is operated, let's see. So first we will focus on the night time. In the night time, the stomata it is open so that the carbon dioxide it will absorb into the cell. Okay, and the carbon dioxide it reacts with the water, and in the presence of enzyme carbonic anhydrase it forms the bicarbonate. And this the bicarbonate which is produced it reacts with the phosphoenol pyruvate to form the 4-carbon compound that is known as the oxaloacetic acid. Then this oxaloacetic acid it will convert it into another 4-carbon compound that is known as the malate, where the NADPS is converted into NADP with the conversion of NADPS to NADP. And the malate which is formed it is stored in the vacuole of the plant during the night time. Okay, and the malate it will go through the Calvin cycle during the daytime, because the Calvin cycle cannot operate during the night time, while it still need the ATP and the NADPH. Now we'll see the processes during the daytime. So during the daytime, in order to prevent the loss of water, the stomata is closed. The stomata is closed during the daytime, and the malic acid which is stored in the vacuole is released from the vacuole because of its the high concentration inside, and then the malate it is break down into pyruvate and carbon dioxide. Pyruvate it is a 3-carbon compound. Okay, the 4 carbon compound malate, it is break down into a 3 carbon compound pyruvate, and another carbon, it is in the carbon dioxide with the conversion of NADP to NADPH. And the carbon dioxide, which is produced by the breakdown of the malate, it now react with the ribulose bisphosphate and it enters into the Calvin cycle where the sugar molecule is produced. Okay, so this is all about the CAM pathway, and all the CAM pathway, it takes place in the mesophyll cells. So now we see the energetics of CAM pathway. CAM pathway, it is energetically more expensive than C3 and the C4 pathways. If you have not seen the C3 cycle and C4 pathway, you will get the link in my description box. Then please do watch the videos on C3 and C4 pathways. C4 cycle, it requires 2 ATP molecule per carbon dioxide fixation. Okay, and the C3 cycle, it requires the 3 ATP molecule and 2 NADPH per carbon dioxide fixation. Now the CAM pathway is additional expense in transporting the malate into the vacuole of chlorenchyma cell at night, because at the night time the malate is stored in the vacuole of the plant, and for that process it required the 1 ATP molecule per malate. Okay. But where is the movement of malate molecule out of the vacuole? That is probably by the diffusion process during the daytime. And it also required the 0.5 ATP in CAM plant to synthesize the starch that provide the carbon storage needed to form the phosphoenol pyruvate during night. So the CAM pathway in total, it requires how many ATP molecules? In the CAM pathway, both the C4 cycle and the C3 cycles are operated. So in the C4 cycle, it requires the 2 ATP molecule, okay, and the C4 cycle, it is operated at night time, and the C3 cycle, it operates during the daytime. So in the C4 cycle is the 2 ATP, and here it is the 3 ATP, that is the 5 ATP, and the CAM pathway, it additionally required the ATP molecule for transporting the malate molecule into the vacuole of the plant. Also the 0.5 ATP is required in the CAM plant to synthesize the starch molecule. So here it is required the 2 ATP, here it is the 3 ATP, and here it is 1.5 ATP. So the total ATP molecule is 6.5 ATP in CAM pathway required for carbon dioxide molecule to fix. Similarly, how many NADPH are required? It required only 2 NADPH and 6.5 ATP molecules, and the 2 NADPH are required for carbon dioxide molecule fixation. So for 6 carbon dioxide molecule, that is the for glucose fixation, how many ATPs and NADPs are required? Just multiplied by the 6. So it required the 39 ATPs and 12 NADPH. That's why the CAM pathway, it is energetically more expensive than C3 and C4 pathway. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this video is very helpful to you. If you like this video, then please do share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.